Guys, summer is basically here and I am not putting motor oil on my skin. Most sunscreens literally have the same ingredients as motor oil and engine lubricant. Ever since I made the switch to beef tallow sunscreen, my skin feels great, my skin is glowing, and I feel amazing not putting chemicals on my skin. The chemicals in most sunscreens are so bad that it's literally banned in Hawaii because it's killing the coral reefs. Why would you be putting that on your skin? Summer is almost here, so this is your sign to make the switch to some tallow sunscreen and give your body the nourishment that it needs to thrive in the sun. This is the one that I use. It's all organic, grass finished. I'm gonna link it in my TikTok shop below. Go get some, you won't regret it. Thank me later.